Man, you want to get off the ground now? Get up.
What the hell? You said it. You know? Oh
Come
my
on.
gosh.
We gotta go home. You on the floor. Man, move your up.
Please, somebody else. Come on.
Come on. How the hell you?
Help me up! Why you want these freaking cameraman? For real. She can't do it by herself. Oh, my boy!
Fuck that shit. Let's go.
Oh my gosh! If I feel myself, y'all gonna laugh at me.
Yeah.
I got to pee so bad right now. Okay, I'm done. I'm finna get up.
I'm gonna sit my black ass in the shade. There's another nigga right now.
You're probably not gonna love me no more after this.
It's not like we have any proof.